Hi there, how are you all doing today? We've got the Steve Peaty HoldFast here. Just going to have a look at it. I purchased it on Amazon with a little special deal on, so I got it from there. You can of course get it from Peaty's shop and any good bike shop out there. So let's have a look inside. So it's quite a wide band. It's quite long as well, but looks. Be mounted on your top tube or behind your seat. Bloody hell, it is long. You can carry it in the tube as well on it. So it's a very long piece of Velcro strapping. So we've got a loop with a very long strapping. Got a bit of rubber texture here to stop it slipping at the top of the tube. As you can see, there's a rubber texture, and then a very long bit of Velcro. Like I say, you can wrap it in a tube with you as well. Nice little design. These are reflective as well, what's on, so you can be seen well. So we've got another piece of Velcro, putting it together. So apparently you can have it on your top tube and it hangs down as well. I'll show you a picture of my bike. So they say it's waterproof. It's a very hard, I don't know what kind of material. It's like a PVC. It is robust bit of material, nylon. So let's have a look inside. So it's just like one empty pocket and a zipped compartment. Hold your money in. The product is waterproof, but I don't know if it'll be waterproof as such, or probably once you wrap it round more than that, but it'll still probably get in through the open bits here. But under the frame, should be away from it all, unless it's really piddling it down. So we've got the Peaty logo inside. Like I say, it's this is plastic coated, so it is waterproof here. So it's enough room to get your essential bits of tools, air canisters, puncture repair, bit of money. I mainly just go out for my keys and carry my multi-tool with me without having it in the pockets, making a hole. And usually Peaty's stuff is good quality anyway. He does quite a lot of research into like sustainability and stuff, so good for Pete. And that, so it does look quite good. Nice bit of kit there. So we'll do a test on the bike and see what it looks like. So this is what the little Steve Peaty case is like on the bike. Looks very neat. So you unwrap it all the way out, so that stays on your bike. So you can open this and it hangs on side, so my key and my multi-tools in there. Perfect little device there from Steve Peaty. All good products and fantastic. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.